If you're too lazy to cook your lunch and tired of eating the same boring food every day, then this recipe is for you. Quick to make, super tasty and perfect, whether you want it as chakna or just to enjoy on its own. This amazing fish recipe will completely satisfy your cravings. Do try and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to your channel.